Hi guys, it's Shakan and I'm back with another video. So today is Sunday, February 17th, I believe, of 2019. And Sundays are the days that I normally do my meal prep for the week. But I need to go to the store first because there's a couple things that I need to get. I don't think I'm going to take you guys in with me today because it's just a couple things that I need to get. And I want to just get in there and get out because I just have not been feeling well. Like this entire weekend I just haven't felt well, and it's really like rainy and nasty today here in Atlanta, and I just want to get in there and get out. So I'm gonna run to the store really quick and come back and show you guys how I do my meal prep for the week. All right, see you guys when I get back. Alright guys, so that brings my meal prep video for this week to a close. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button to let me know that you liked what you saw. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.